All right, guys, we're going to be programming this 2020 Honda Accord. I'll plug this in really quick. Turn this on. Get this thing programmed. And this is push start. Let me turn the personal hotspot on. Make sure that's on. Go to Honda. Honda.
Hey, this is Ashley.
Automatic system selection. Read. As long as the hotspot's on, it should read it for me. Hopefully. Let me see. All my technicians are. See what he said. Appointment. Answer right now. Okay. Yes, sir. Failed to read VIN. Okay, you know what? Let's exit out of this. Let's go to manual system selection. It's a Accord, smart key. Push to start. Yes. Emo status scan. No. Press and hold the start button is in. All right, dashboard is officially on. Turn the ignition switches on, please. Release the engine stop. Okay. All keys lost. Start. Please turn the ignition switch off. Turning it off. Place the key to be learned in the vehicle and take all the other keys out. The vehicle to place more than 5mm. Okay. To the on by pressing the start button twice. Is ignition? No. Press and hold the ignition, it says. And this is until the dashboard cuts on. I think we're trying to get the dashboard to cut on again in order to program the key. There it is. Ignition's back on. It says the ignition switch is on. Please release the ignition start. Okay, I already did that. See what it says do now. Whether is a new model generally refers to the model after. No. It's not after 2020. It is a 2020. Switch to off. Okay, turn the ignition switch off. Please turn the ignition switch on. Okay. Are both the keyless access and immobilizer indicator lights turned off? Yes. Please turn the ignition switch off. Okay. Please turn the ignition switch to on. Okay. Waiting on it to load. The registration is completed. Please turn the ignition switch to off. Okay. Check all keys, blah, blah, blah. Ensure the key will start the car. Ensure it will lock and unlock the door. As you see, it is locking and unlocking the door. Let's see if it'll crank it. Yes, sir. It does crank it. Car started. Job well done.